Third baseman, number 19, Jared Triolo.
You'll make it.
Dragging behind.
Yeah, we're okay.
The Orioles are proud to recognize the courage, commitment, and sacrifice made by the brave men and women who serve our country. At this time, we ask all veterans and active duty military members in attendance who are able to please stand as we salute your service. On behalf of the Orioles and a grateful nation, we thank you for your service, your sacrifice, your dedication to protecting our freedom. Second baseman number 23, Blaze Alexander.
You want a lemonade? You want raspberry?